This is kind of hard to do. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. Hey everyone, I'm Mimi.
And I'm Lala.
And welcome to our channel. I keep brushing my hair because I haven't straightened it in forever. So in today's video, I'm going to be following Brad Mondo's How to Cut Your Own Hair During Quarantine Time.
You're gonna learn how to cut your own hair at home properly.
Yeah, come follow while I cut how many inches off? 12, 15 inches off my hair.
15, I think.
So if you want to see the results of me cutting my own hair following a tutorial, then please continue watching. Okay, so the very first step that Brad talks about is straightening your hair pin straight, so that way you know how the hairstyle is going to look. So I did that, and my hair is like 4 days unwashed, so it's like extra slick. Make four quadrants on my hair. And by the way, it's really loud because we're outside and there's kids on a trampoline, so what ifs. Okay, so I might need some help. I also don't have a mirror. Okay, I'm following what he's doing. So I split my hair in half and then take the very top, okay, to the back of my ear. Ta-da! Is it straight? Is it straight? Yeah. Okay, cool. And we're doing this outside because I don't want to make a mess inside. Today was cleaning day, so don't want to get any hair on the floor and not have it be as clean as it was. So, yes. The outside salon. And I've actually never cut my hair like this. If I've ever cut my hair on my own, it's been like the toss in front of you and then cut straight, and then it just kind of leaves like that oval-y shape, like rounded shape. Oh my gosh, those kids are loud. It is never loud out here. It is always fairly quiet, so sorry. My hair is how many inches? 32? 33 at like the very last strand. So I'm cutting off
33 minus.
30.
We're gonna leave it at 16 inches.
Yeah, I'm pretty much cutting like halfway through. I'm not gonna measure it right now. I'm just gonna go with the feel. But I do want to donate my hair. Okay, so I think this is like the hardest part because it has to be really, really flat. And it has to remain flat so that when you cut it, it cuts straight. So yeah, so that way when the rubber band, or when you tie it, it's not like this basically. So I think that's hard. He made it look kind of easy because he's using the mannequin and he's the one doing it on someone else or something else.
Okay, you want it to be right on the shoulder, all right? You can put it up high and then you can kind of drag it down. But make sure when you're putting it in, you're not lifting this section up or down, all right? You're not going like this. You're going like this, exactly how it should lay.
So that's about 8-10 inches or so. That's how much I'm going to donate. So I think the harder part will be the back because the back has to be super, super flat. So that's probably where I'm gonna need your help.
Directing it forward or back, it's just straight down. And if you have a lot of hair, you can do more than 4 sections. That's totally fine. I'm gonna do just 4 sections to keep it simple today. And we're just gonna bring that down, slide it down to meet the other one.
Can you take it back today? Yes. Yes. There you go. Splash, splash, splash. Yeah. Okay, so I had to adjust the way that he did it, because if you're not donating your hair, you just put the little rubber band and then cut right below. But since I'm donating my hair, I want to keep my hair together, so I have just another extra little one to cut and then be able to donate that. So yeah, and this is definitely harder to do than he made it seem. Also, his mannequin head doesn't have shoulders and boobs, so it's hard to do. And back fat. So.
She don't have no shoulders. She's like, I don't need shoulders. And I'm like, okay.
But then we go in. I mean, I guess at this point it's fine if I just go like this. So he said we're going to go snip, snip, snip instead of snip, snip, snip. Okay, so I'm gonna go in just to be able to get the length off, and then I'll do more of like the cross. I didn't even realize until you said that. Like, now I can't go back. Oh my gosh, I've had my hair for so long. Like, oh my goobers. I literally started growing my hair out because I wanted to donate it, and then like 10 years later, like 7 years later, here I am, barely donating.
Wow.
Ta-da! Oh my god!
Just taking a little off at a time. There's our first cut. Congratulations!
Okay, next one! Now I'm excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. Like, I'll just use these as extensions. Oh my gosh. And I didn't want to cut too much because I do want to get it professionally styled once quarantine is over. And colored too. Don't even come at me for my hair color right now.
What are you talking about? It's ombre.
Oh my gosh, it's ombre. Okay, this is taking a long ass time.
You got thick ass hair.
Okay, I kind of did the straight edge. And then just kind of, so it's not
You
straight.
did this in high school all the time.
That is true. I did cut my bangs all the time when I was...
You cut my bangs.
I cut Lala's bangs. Our mom used to be a hairdresser, so we felt free to explore cutting our own hair. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna do like just cutting it off because it takes a really long time.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, was I even supposed to bring it forward? Yeah, because it's already tied.
Yeah, just don't lose the tension at the band.
Yeah. What do you think? So now she uses it like in her.
Oh.
Okay, this one was kind of faulty. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yeah, maybe hairdresser.
Okay.
Okay,
There's like one long layer.
¿Qué pasó?
Oh, what the heck happened here?
Here, you want me to fix that?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my god. Hallelujah. Oh my god. It's so funny because literally in high school, like, I would be like, yeah, all right. It'll grow back again, and then I'll do something else, and then. But now I don't know. I feel like I'm old, and like, what if my hair doesn't grow back? And I don't even know if I want long hair. I'll just get extensions. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Okay, so one of the issues that I had, as you saw Lala fixing the back sort of a little bit, is I have too much hair in the back. So I technically should probably have done this in like 6 sections or more, but ain't nobody got time. So, you know, yeah. Okay, so now to get some of the layers in and sort of maybe mask a little bit of its roughness
Take our finger and go through about 1.5 inches up or 1 inch up, just like halfway through that ponytail, and let that down. And the rest of it, we're gonna bring up to the top. Put the elastic in while holding that tension.
Okay, that looks more like the mannequin. The final step is to do sort of layers, so I don't know if this is gonna look good. So at least it's close to the end of quarantine and I can go get it fixed. That's the song.
We're gonna do the same thing, point cutting, all right? Bring your fingers to the bottom, hold it like this, and you're just gonna take off that high point. So it's a little bit like bing, bing, bing. Just get rid of that. We don't need that. And don't make this perfect. Don't.
Okay, I'm blaming this on Brad.
I hope it comes out good for you. I really, really do. Please be patient with it. Take your time and do exactly how I say to do it.
Technically should probably have done this in like 6 sections or more, but ain't nobody got time. So
Okay. It's so weird. Okay. And I mean, I hope it looks better when I style it, obviously. But I also kind of hope it looks fun.
It looks good.
Because, you know, this is how I'll be having it naturally. Ta-da! I mean, I'm gonna go take a shower and then style it and then I don't know if there really are final thoughts. It's just like it's done, so like yay! It's definitely harder, I think, also because I had in mind to donate my hair, so that kind of made it like a little bit of extra thinking of how I was going to do it while still following the tutorial. And then also my hair is just like really thick, so I probably should have done it in a couple. It feels really short to me. It like looks not too short, but like short.
But it's a good
compared to like what I had. So yeah, so I'll be right back after I go and shower. Hey, so this is the final result of my hair. It's washed, it's sort of natural, sort of curled-ish in a way, not really super styled, but I did want to just kind of see how it would look naturally. So I don't really see too many of my layers, and my hair is still pretty thick, but it's fine. I don't want to play with it too much because, like I said, I do want to end up having it professionally styled. So yeah, my hair is short, so yeah. So if you liked watching this video and my sort of transformation, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.